stop. Stop scrolling. Seriously, hit pause on whatever you're doing. I'm asking for exactly 9 minutes of your time. Not 10, not 30, just 9. And here's my promise. By the end of this video, you will have a crystal clear step-by-step system to make 2026 your best year yet. No theory, no motivational quotes, just actions. Let's start the clock right now. I know what you're thinking. Another video promising to change my life in 10 minutes. I get it. I've watched hundreds of those videos too. And you know what? Most of them are empty. But here's the difference. I'm not going to motivate you. I'm going to give you a system. Motivation fades. Systems stay. Here's the truth that most self-improvement gurus won't tell you. Your brain is wired to resist big changes. When you say, I'll wake up at 5 a.m. starting January 1st, your brain panics. It sees a massive leap from your current 7 a.m. wake up. And what does it do? It sabotages you by February. This isn't laziness, it's biology. The second reason plans fail is vague goals. Get fit, make more money, be happier. These aren't goals, they're wishes, and wishes don't create action plans. The third killer is waiting for motivation. Motivation is an emotion, and emotions are unreliable. You don't need motivation. You need a system that works even on your worst days. Let me give you the system that changed everything for me. Step 1 is the 1% rule. Imagine getting just 1% better every single day. After 1 year, you're 37 times better. Not 100% better. 37 times. That's the power of compounding. So instead of saying, I'll meditate 30 minutes daily, start with 1 minute. 1 minute every morning. That's so easy your brain won't resist it. Once it becomes automatic, add 1 more minute. Slow progress beats no progress every single time. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you want to read more books. Most people say, I'll read 1 book per week. That's 52 books a year. Sounds great, right? But here's what actually happens. Week 1, you read 20 pages. Week 2, life gets busy. Week 3, you've forgotten the goal completely. By March, the book is collecting dust. Now apply the 1% rule instead. Read just 2 pages per day. That's it, not 20. 2. In 1 year, you've read 730 pages. That's 6 to 8 books. Doesn't sound impressive? It's 6 more books than most people read in their entire lifetime. Small steps, consistent steps. That's how you win. Step 2 is the 5-second rule. This sounds silly, but it works. When you feel the urge to do something that moves you forward, like opening your notebook or standing up to exercise, your brain takes about 5 seconds to talk you out of it. Count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then move. Before your brain finds an excuse. Try it right now. Think of 1 small thing you've been avoiding. Count down from 5. Did you feel that shift? That's you beating your own hesitation. Step 3 is what I call the Saturday blueprint. Every Saturday, spend exactly 15 minutes planning the upcoming week. Not an hour. 15 minutes. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 non-negotiable tasks for each day. These are tasks that, if completed, would make the day a win. That's it. No fancy apps, no color coding, just 3 tasks per day. This 15-minute ritual eliminates the daily question of, what should I do now? Which is a question that wastes hours of mental energy. Here's why the Saturday blueprint works. Most people wake up on Monday and ask themselves, what should I do today? That question is dangerous. Why? Because your brain sees 15 possible tasks and gets overwhelmed. Overwhelm leads to paralysis. Paralysis leads to scrolling on your phone for an hour. When you plan on Saturday, you remove that question completely. Monday morning, you don't think. You just look at your list and do task number 1. The most successful people I know don't have better willpower than you. They have fewer decisions to make. Remove the question, remove the resistance, remove the failure. And step 4 is decision elimination. Your brain has limited willpower each day. It's like a phone battery. Every decision drains it. What to wear, what to eat, checking your phone first thing in the morning. These are tiny leaks. Here's how to fix it. Prepare your clothes the night before. Eat the same healthy breakfast every day. For me, it's oatmeal and eggs. And most importantly, no phone for the first hour after waking. That hour is for your 1% improvement. Read, write, stretch, plan. Your brain is freshest then. Don't waste that golden hour on other people's content. Here's your challenge, and I need you to actually do this tonight, not tomorrow. Before you go to sleep, take any piece of paper. Write down 3 specific things you will do tomorrow, not big things. Small, doable things. For example, drink 1 glass of water right after waking up. Do 10 jumping jacks. Write 1 sentence in a journal. That's it. Put that paper next to your phone. Tomorrow morning, before you check anything else, do those 3 things. This tiny win will create momentum. And momentum is the secret ingredient of every successful person you admire. If this system makes sense to you, I need you to take 2 seconds right now. Type the word 2026 in the comments. That's how I know you're starting today. And here's what's coming next on this channel. The next video will be the complete blueprint to stop overthinking and take action. Comment your biggest struggle with overthinking, and I'll address it personally in that video. Your best year doesn't start January 1st. It starts tonight with those 3 small tasks. I'll see you in the next one. I want you to imagine something. Imagine it's December 31st, 26. You're looking back at the last 12 months. What did you achieve? Did you start that habit you've been putting off for years? Did you get closer to the person you want to become? Now imagine you did nothing. Imagine you watched this video, felt motivated for 10 minutes, and then went back to your old patterns. How would that feel? That feeling in your chest. That's regret. And regret doesn't go away. It stays with you. The good news? You have a choice. Right now, tonight. Not January 1st, not Monday. Tonight. Write those 3 small tasks. Do them tomorrow morning. And watch how 1 small win creates the next. Your best year doesn't start with a celebration. It starts with a single, boring, tiny action. Take it now. One more thing before you go. Don't wait. Don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect morning, the perfect week, the perfect January 1st. That moment doesn't exist. I've seen people wait 10 years for the perfect moment. 10 years of I'll start tomorrow. 10 years of the same excuses. Your imperfect action today is worth more than your perfect plan next month. Start messy. Start small. Just start. Tonight. Those 3 tasks. Tomorrow morning. Do them. That's it.